The last decade has been extremely informative in how a world which was designed for full decentralization and effectively the absence of professional custody is starting to reconcentrate around regulated providers. For good or bad, we can debate, of course, if it's a good thing. In the context of the discussion today, I think we're obviously focusing on the idea that there are centralized regulated institutions which will be managing, hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of assets in the future. But we can keep in mind that the world has not been imagined this way for blockchain, and there's been a period where we all thought we would have these assets on our mobile phones and would not need to have such professional solutions. Thank you. Custody in digital assets is inherently a technological challenge, is inherently a cybersecurity challenge, because digital assets, which are often called also crypto assets, are backed by cryptography. And the implication is that you can't just see this as a set of processes and accounting processes. You have to see this also as being a stack to protect physically and cyber, digitally, the keys accessing these assets. It's also about the integration into existing processes. It's about governance. We tend to say that custody of digital assets is about protecting the keys. It's about protecting the access to the keys through governance, decentralizing the access, and it's about integrating into the existing flows. Once you understand that custody in digital asset is an enabler for everything else, it's an enabler that you need to do the value-added services and to really start having the excitement of what blockchain and tokenization can be about, you can start focusing on the other questions which are around the distribution of new forms of assets.